Once you have some flour at home, you can easily make any snack of your choice for your family to enjoy, especially for breakfast or for lunch or break time. Hello treasures, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Thanks for stopping by. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I made this snack with just yogurt, flour, and some few ingredients in the house. Let's get started. In my mixing bowl, I'll add 4 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 1/3 cup of sugar, and half a teaspoon of cinnamon powder. You can also use nutmeg. Sorry. You can also use nutmeg if you don't have cinnamon powder or any flavor of your choice. The cinnamon powder is just for the flavor. You can use any flavor of your choice. You can also add more sugar if you want it sweeter than the one I am making here. You can add up to half cup of sugar. I'll mix everything together before I now add a tablespoon of butter. You can also use margarine for this. Later on, if you don't want to use your hand, you can use your mixer. You can also use your spatula to mix it. But today, I feel like using my hands. Next, I'll add some water to it. I rinsed the plate of yogurt with the water. That's why the water has that color. Yeah. I'll leave all my measurements in the description box below. So do check it out for the. And here I have my dough well mixed. I used 3/4 cup of water and 1 cup of yogurt. But if you want it lighter than this, you can use 1 full cup of water. So the next we're going to do now is to fry our. Be sure the oil is hot enough, but not too hot, so that it doesn't burn your buns without frying inside. If the dough is too sticky in your hand, you can touch water, dip your hand in the water, or rub. Next, I will continue to flip it around or stir it around so that they can fry evenly on both sides. And when golden brown, then it is time to take it out from the oil. And I will continue to fry the rest of the buns until our fried yogurt buns. Looking so delicious. It's so crunchy on the outside, but soft and fluffy on the inside. And these buns tasted so delicious. I hope you'll be giving this a try. Yeah, we've come to the end of today's video. Thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and also subscribe. Until I see you again in my next video, remain blessed and safe. I love you all. Bye-bye.